Hey, it's Alex from Stormz. We're going to see how to create a workshop from a template file. So these template files are your ticket to share and reuse your favorite Stormz workshops. They are files ending with a .stormz extension. And you might either created them from your own workshops or received one from a fellow Stormz facilitator. So, got a template file? Let's turn it into a workshop. So start from your dashboard and either click on Create My First Stormz Workshop or the Create a Stormz button. This will open a page filled with different options, but today we are only interested in the last option, the one at the bottom. Import a custom template. So then you land on the import page, and all you need to do is drag and drop your Stormz file right into the browser, or you can click on the link to select a file. Then just give Stormz a moment to work its magic, and voila! Your workshop is ready to rock and roll. Bravo! You've successfully imported a Stormz template.